Hi everyone, and welcome to the SEOLab quick tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up LLMs.txt for your Shopify store, and why it's an important feature for AI-based SEO and brand visibility. Let's get started. First, go to Apps, then open SEOLab. From the left menu, click the LLMs.txt tab. Here, you'll simply fill in your information. But before that, let's understand, what is LLMs.txt? LLMs.txt is a special file that helps AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and AI search assistants and smart browsers understand your store better. When AI systems read your website, this file tells them who you are, what your brand is about, and where they can find your official information. This helps AI show accurate details when people search for your store or ask questions about your brand. Why LLMs.txt is important. Today, more and more customers discover brands using AI tools instead of traditional search. With LLMs.txt, you control how AI interprets your store instead of leaving it to guess. It helps AI correctly read and index your store name, your brand description, your social media, links, your business details, so your brand is shown the right way, everywhere. Setting up LLMs.txt in SEOLab. Now let's fill it in. Here, you simply enter your store name, store description, social media links, and any additional details about your brand. Once you enter everything, SEOLab automatically creates the file for you. You don't need to code anything. You'll also see a black button called View LLMs.txt. This preview shows exactly what AI tools will read. It's clean, structured, and easy for AI systems to understand. That's it. Your LLMs.txt is now ready. By setting this up, you're helping AI tools understand your Shopify store correctly and improving how your brand appears across AI platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next SEOLab tutorial.